Is one of your classes super boring? There was hope for it at the beginning, but then it just went downhill so quickly, and the final project is just not going to happen because it's just so hard to care. If only there was a way to make this stupid little class more interesting. Oh, there is. It's really annoying when a course is just too boring to care about. Sometimes it's an elective and it's your own fault, but sometimes it's a required course to graduate and you really need to convince your brain to sort of enjoy this to make it focus and learn something. If this is you, it might be time to go on a little learning adventure of your own. I know that you don't want to hear this, but spend an afternoon researching your topic without looking at your course materials. It's very possible that the only reason why you don't care about what you're learning is because it's too dry or because you haven't found that spark that makes it interesting for you. If you do some external research that's not geared towards your assignments, you might find that one thing that sparks a bit of interest. Once you can find that, even if it's not exactly what you need to know for your course, it might totally be enough to kickstart your ability to focus. Yeah, I know, it sucks that you have to spend extra time on the things that you don't like. But it's going to be so worth it if it means that your course is then more interesting. And you never know, you might learn something that you could work into an assignment somewhere. And if not, the worst thing that happened is you learned something. Maybe you learned that this course sucks. If you want more ideas on how to motivate your studying, check out this playlist. It has tips and tricks to help keep you focused through long study sessions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. I'll see you soon.